So what will we do?
Beta, we will do an activity in this period. Maths activity.
Yeah, thank you sir very much. Sir, so today can you take our calculation first?
Huh?
Sir,
जी.
sir, today can you take calculator faster test? Yeah, that's how can you calculate fast?
Sure.
Yeah.
अच्छा. Okay, I will tell you a trick. I will tell you some tricks. गुप्ता जी ने चलो कहा है कैलकुलेट फास्ट वाली बात कही है. So I will tell you some tricks of doing fast calculation, and then I will check how many of you have really understood.
So the tool sir I Sir, good morning, sir. Bhavdeep Gupta present in your class. Sir, please tell today what we will do.
Take this as a game. Sit with your pen and notebook. Be ready with your pen and notebook. And we will do activity in this period.
Sir, will you say? A fair notebook.
Take a rough notebook.
पता नहीं जी नशा करता है.
Take a rough notebook, all of you.
Good morning, sir. Yes, Sharma present, sir. What we are doing? We are doing fast calculating test. Sir is explaining.
We will do fast calculation. Fast, very fast calculation.
Sir, I know how to do. Only take a calculator do. Fast calculating.
You can do it faster than the calculator. I hope you no one will use.
Sorry, sir. I was disconnected. What we will do? I can't believe it.
No one is going to use any calculator.
Can you repeat because I was disconnected?
No one is going to use any calculator, okay?
Okay, sir, as you say. Sir, we have to do in our friend notebooks.
No, in your rough note.
Sir, what we are doing? Can you tell?
ये शौर्य बेटा कहाँ बैठे हो?
स्कूल में. सर इन स्कूल.
अच्छा अभी तुम्हारे हाथ में क्या था ये?
Sorry, sir.
Where in your hand? Sure.
Sir, cake. Cake. Sir, oh, where cake is distributed.
Okay.
Sir, cake base. Sir, cake base.
Holder. Cake holder.
Sir, see, cake holder. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sorry for being late. Please tell what we are doing.
Beta, we have done 19 questions in this period already, and you are joining so late. We have done 19 questions.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, what a joke.
Soham Agarwal, how are you?
Sir, have we done 19 questions?
Soham beta, how are you?
Sir.
Sir.
Sir, one child is using two devices. No, my laptop was not responding.
Soham, how are you? I'm not able to hear you, Soham.
Sir, what?
No voice. Soham? Are you speaking? Soham?
Sir, Soham, mic is off.
Mic is off?
Sir, Soham, mic is off.
Okay. Okay, let's start with the activity.
Sir, I want to.
Sir? Yes. Yes.
Sir, did you know Ritika Goyal?
Ritika Goyal. Which class?
Ritika Goyal.
Which class, beta?
Sir, she is in 8th class in 2018.
2018. She was in.
As she
Sir,
said
now
that
my
you,
sound is coming. Sir, now my sound is coming.
He said that what?
as she is,
Sir, now my sound is coming.
Yes, yes, yes. So on. Yes. Sure, beta.
Yes,
What?
so
she said that she in my bus in 2008 Rasik sir teaches us math in 8th class. She said
So now she is in which class?
10th.
Now she is in 10th. Ritika Goyal, 10th class. Maybe मैं पहचान लूं, recognize कर लूं. I have taught her in 8th class.
Yes sir.
Was she praising how Rasik sir is? Rasik sir is a good teacher. What she was saying, or a bad teacher? This is the main point here.
He said he is a very good teacher. He explains. He explains very well.
Thank you. Tell
Sir,
her.
now start. Sir, now start.
Thank her from my side. Ritika Goyal.
अरे सर स्टार्ट करिए.
हाँ,
Today we do an activity.
got it, got it. याद आ गया मुझे. Ritika.
Sir, now start. Sir, we are wasting our time.
Sir, today we do an activity.
please start.
Yeah, activity. Okay, I am telling you something new today. Do you know what is the square? How do you find the square of a number? Square of
Yes,
a
sir.
number.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
I know
Sir,
square
I know.
root and square
I know.
also.
The square root.
was studying.
Square root.
There is square root of square.
Square of a number.
Third. Yes.
Right? Listen, everyone.
Yes, sir.
A lot of mics are on. Keep them off. Parth, Shadashi, and Arnav. Navdeep. Soham. Keep your mics off. Yes. Now, square of a number का meaning क्या होता है? Suppose if I write 4 square, 4 के ऊपर हल्का सा 2 बना दिया. This is known as 4 square. So this is known as 4 raised to the power 2.
16.
4 की power है. Okay. 2 is known as power of 2 is the power of 4. 4 की power है 2. इसका meaning क्या होता है? इसकी value होती है कुछ. What is the meaning? इसकी meaning है 4
16
by 4.
into 4.
4 into 4.
16.
अगर power is 2, you will multiply 4 2 times. कितना आया? 16. If the power is 3, suppose 4 is
Please, sir, I was disconnected due to a network problem.
the power is this
Sir,
is
it is known as cube.
this is 4 raised to the power 3. Okay. The value of 4 raised to the power 3 is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. How many times you multiply 4? 3 times. You will multiply.
3.
Okay. And the value is 64. Okay. If I write 4 raised to the power 4, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 4 times multiply करेंगे कितना आएगा? कितना आएगा?
Sir, 2, 0, 5, 6.
256. Okay. Can you tell me the value of this?
256.
5 cube. 5 to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 3. की वैल्यू बताइए.
Sir,
Can I tell?
50. Sir, 50.
Sir, 15.
अरे नहीं 15.
15.
Sir, 50.
5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15.
ऐड कर रहा हूँ या मल्टीप्लाई?
75.
ऐड कर रहा हूँ या मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ? ये मैं
75.
ये ऐड करना है या मल्टीप्लाई करना है? हाउ कैन यू
Sir,
से
25.
Sir, multiply.
Sir, 125.
120.
125.
The chat box has sent you the answer.
how can you say 15 as the answer? Am I multiplying here or adding? 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 5 को 3 times add थोड़ी करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है। मुझे ऐड करना है? नो। 5 plus 5, अगर 5 plus 5 plus 5 करेंगे then you get 15. You have to multiply 5 into 5 into 5. 3 times you have to multiply 5. What do you get? Your answer is 125. Okay. So this is known as 5 raised to the power 3. Can you tell me the value of this? Write your answer in the chat box. I will be seeing the chat box. I want to see your answers in the chat box of the next question. Write the answer of the next question in the chat box. 10 raised to the power 2. Simple है. 10 raised to the power 2. बहुत सिंपल है. अरे अभी भी बच्चे 20 लिख रहे हैं भाई साहब. कहाँ चला जाऊं मैं? ये दुनिया छोड़ के चला जाऊं क्या? Still you are writing answer 20. 20 आंसर दे रहे हैं आप. Really? You are giving 20 as the answer? 5th क्लास के बच्चे हैं आप. छोटे बच्चे हैं क्या? 10 plus 10 करना है मुझे. Do I have to add 10 2 times? यहाँ पे 10 को 2 बार ऐड करना है या मल्टीप्लाई करना है? You have to multiply. So 10 multiplied by 10. 20 होता है ये. This is 20. 10 multiplied by 10. कैसी बात कर रहे हैं यार ये बच्चे? 5th क्लास के बच्चे ऐसी बात करेंगे? 10 into 10 is 100, not 20. अभी भी गलत आंसर दे रहे हैं, बताइए. Still. Okay, next एक और पूछते हैं. Let's check whether you have understood or not. One more. One more. One more. Tell me the answer of this. 13 square. 13 raised to the power 2. Give me the answer. Adhiraj has given the answer. Anshika abhi bhi galat answer. Mridul wrong answer. Anshika and Mridul wrong answer. Shaurya wrong answer. Abhiyan Duhan wrong answer. Lot of students have given correct answers also. मैं correct वाले भी name ले लेता हूँ अभी यहाँ पर. Those who have given the correct answers are Adhiraj, correct answer. Shatakshi, correct. Arnav, sorry, Arnav है ना? 169, yes, correct. Parth, correct. Karamjeet, correct. Ishita, correct. Ayushman, correct. Rishika Agarwal, correct. Vishesh Srivastav, correct. Bhakti Khandelwal, correct. Abhiyan, wrong. Hargun, correct. Rishika Agarwal, correct. Simran, correct. Rishika Agarwal has given answer again and again and again. Ayushman, correct. Karamjeet ने फिर से आंसर दे दिया है, correct. Shaurya Saxena has now given the correct answer. Anshika also has now given the correct answer. Soham Agarwal, wrong answer. Lavanya, wrong answer. Rishika ने कम से कम 1000 बार आंसर दिया है. आयुष्मान ने भी कम से कम 1000 बार नहीं 200 बार तो दिया ही दिया है. Daksh Mehrotra, wrong answer. Abhiyan Duhan, again wrong answer. Correct answer is 169. कुछ बच्चे अभी भी 26 आंसर लिख रहे हैं. 13 plus 13 26 होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे मुझे ऐड करना है, मुझे तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 13 into 13. इतनी सी बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 13 की पावर 2, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? 13 raised to the power 2. 13 multiplied by 13, क्या आंसर होता है? 169. 13 into 13, 169. ओके, एक और, चलो चेक करते हैं सही है, पता है आंसर या नहीं पता है। ओके, लेट्स फाइंड आउट। 15 raised to the power 2. Give me the answers. 15 raised to the power 2. भक्ति करेक्ट आंसर, अर्नव रॉन्ग, अर्नव फिर भी वही आंसर दे रहे हैं। शताक्षी करेक्ट, विशेष करेक्ट, अधिराज करेक्ट, इशिका करेक्ट, उन्नति करेक्ट, आयुष्मान करेक्ट, अंशिका करेक्ट, ऋषिका करेक्ट। बार बार मत दीजिएगा आंसर, गिव योर आंसर ओनली वन टाइम। हरगुन करेक्ट, वेरी गुड। सिमरन रॉन्ग आंसर, मृदुल रॉन्ग आंसर, शाश्वत गुप्ता करेक्ट आंसर। जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, अभियान दुहान करेक्ट आंसर, वेरी गुड। शौर्य रॉन्ग आंसर, कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक। लावण्या करेक्ट आंसर, विवान करेक्ट आंसर। Unnati, what do you want to say? Vivan, correct answer. Lavanya, your answer is correct. Oh. Unnati, what do you want to say? Why are you raising your hand, Unnati? Kartik Khandelwal, do you want to say something? You are raising your hand.
Yes, sir.
Hanji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ.
So I
Senseless.
was saying that, so I was disconnected. So what was like?
Oh, what are we doing? I was disconnected. We are doing an activity. एक्टिविटी में हम सीख रहे हैं कि किसी नंबर की पावर जैसे कुछ है, इफ फॉर एग्जांपल 15 के ऊपर मैंने छोटा सा 2 लगाया है, 15 के ऊपर, ठीक है, 15 को एक क्राउन पहना दिया है, क्राउन पहना दिया है 15 को, 2 छोटा सा क्राउन पहनाया है, 2 वाला क्राउन है। क्राउन जानते हैं, जो किंग अपने सर पे क्राउन पहनते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज अ क्राउन। तो 15 के सिर पे एक क्राउन पहना दिया मैंने 2, so this is known as 15 raised to the power 2, इसको बोलते हैं 15 raised to the power 2। इसका मतलब है 15 multiplied by 15, 15 multiplied by 15, answer is 225. The correct answer is 225. From now on onwards, I will take only first 5 answers. First 5 answers जो बच्चे सबसे quick answer करेंगे, I will appreciate those students. उसके बाद के answers I will not announce whether your answer is right or wrong, but your answer should be correct. गुप्ता जी, you want to say something? गुप्ता जी, बहुत अगर कोई सेंसलेस बात नहीं करना, बता रहा हूँ मैं, मतलब की बात करना जी। गुप्ता जी बताइए।
Sir, I want to say that, sir, I have also given the answer, sir, but you didn't see mine.
अरे ऐसा कैसे हो गया?
Sir,
तुम्हारा नाम ही इतना छोटा है, पार्थ, 5 लेटर का नाम रखा हुआ, तुमने बड़ा सा नाम रख लेते कोई। तो वैसे मेरा नाम भी तो छोटा सा ही है। पार्थ गुप्ता करेक्ट आंसर, मिल गया मुझे, ठीक है। RASI के मेरे में भी 5 लेटर है, तुम्हारे में भी 5 लेटर है। 5 into 5 25, 5 raised to the power 2 हो गया ये तो, 5 into 5 25 हो गया। चलिए, हाँ, अक्षित बोलिए। अक्षित भारद्वाज, व्हाट डू यू?
Sir, I have given.
Yes, your answer is correct. Very good. Okay, अगर मिस हो जाता है, डोंट बी इन एनी काइंड ऑफ टेंशन। मिस हो गया हुआ, गलती से मिस हो गया, ठीक है। एक्सक्यूज मी इफ आई मिस योर आंसर, बट मेन थिंग इज यू शुड लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट। ओके, 225 15 स्क्वायर। नेक्स्ट पूछें, आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन? रेडी? चलिए, लेट्स सी। आई विल टेक ओनली फर्स्ट 5 आंसर। जो बच्चे फर्स्ट 5 आंसर देंगे एंड करेक्ट आंसर, only those will be awarded with a chocolates. उन 5 बच्चों को मैं चॉकलेट दूंगा, वो भी व्हाट्सएप पर मेरी तरफ से। व्हाट्सएप चॉकलेट मिलेगी, वर्चुअल चॉकलेट। हर चीज वर्चुअल चल रही है ऑनलाइन, तो मैं भी चॉकलेट वर्चुअली दूंगा। फायदा है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रेडी? 6 raised to the power 3, बताइए 6 raised to the power 3। Rishika Agarwal is the first one to answer. Your answer is correct, Rishika Agarwal। उसके बाद से सारे आंसर गलत आए हैं, 2-3 आंसर सही भी आ गए हैं। मैं अभी अनाउंस करता हूँ, देख करके ध्यान से। Stop now, you all can stop. I have got more than 5 answers. Stop writing now. I have got lot of answers. Okay, so the first one is Rishika Agarwal. Your answer is 216, correct answer। Next one, the second one was Kartik Khandelwal, correct answer। Third one was Shatakshi Saini, fourth Unnati Gangwar, and fifth Arnav Gangwar। All these students have given the correct answers, and these are the first five students to give the correct answers। Some other students have also given the answers, but their answers were wrong। उन्होंने पहले आंसर दिया था, but their answers were wrong। Okay, so these are the ones who have given the correct answers। इसके बाद और भी हैं, but they are after the 5th position, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th। So very good, all those who have given the correct answers। Even if you are a little late in giving the answer, no problem। The main thing is your answer should be correct। Abhiyan Duhan wants to say something, really wants to say something. He is very eager to say something। Yes, Abhiyan।
Sir, I will give you some. Can you solve it?
You want to give me a question?
Yes, sir.
ये तुम्हारा डिफिकल्ट सा क्वेश्चन मैं कैसे सॉल्व करूंगा? चलो पूछो।
Find the percentage of word M in the of letter M in the word mathematics.
Percentage of letter M in the word mathematics। अरे मर गए, इतना खतरनाक क्वेश्चन, मैथमेटिक्स। Find the percentage of the letter M in the word mathematics। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11। 1 2 3 4 5 6। मैथमेटिक्स और मैथमेटिक, एस लगाना है नहीं लगाना है? एस नहीं लगाना है। अब यहाँ दुहान बताइए, एस नहीं लगाऊं?
Without S. Without S.
Okay. The percentage of letter M in the word mathematics is 20%। Is my answer correct, अभियान? First of all, मुझे आपको unmute करना पड़ेगा। 20%, अभियान। My answer is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely correct। Oh my God. Thank you। You can also send me a virtual chocolate on WhatsApp। No, not a virtual one। I want a real chocolate from you। मेरे साथ virtual chocolate नहीं चलेगी। Okay। Vishesh Srivastava, what do you want to say? जल्दी बोलिए।
Sir, I can. Sir, the correct answer of 3 plus 6 equals to sir 729.
6 की power 3, the answer is 729। No, I'm sorry to say, but the answer is 216। अभी मैं करके दिखाता हूँ। Okay। And the second one,
Okay.
Adhiraj Sharma। बताइए Adhiraj।
Sir, first three answers I gave correct because I was learned that, and sir, I forget the cube of the 6.
Oh, very good। You are in class 5 only. You are learning squares and cubes of numbers। Very good, very good, very good। Nice। Okay, so the answer of this one, 6 की power 3, 6 into 6 into 6, the answer is 216। Ready for the next question? चलिए थोड़ा सा नंबर बड़ा कर देते हैं। 35 raised to the power 2। 35 raised to the power 2। 35 raised to the power 2। Give me the answer। Start giving the answers। I have got some correct answers। Yes, 3 correct answers already आ चुके हैं। Very good, very good. 4, 5. Some are wrong. Correct, correct. 35 raised to the power 2. Okay. Some have done some mistake in calculations. Some students have done mistake in calculations. Still, you all are very fast, very quick, very quick. Nice to see that. You are responding very well, most of you. Okay, I will announce the names. Okay, the time is up. A lot of students have given the correct answers. The first one to give the correct answer from all these students, the first one. First one, ready all of you? Are you ready to listen? Who's the first one? Is it your name or is it your padosi's names? The answer is Arnav. Sorry, the answer is 1225, and the first one is Arnav Gangwar to give the answer. Arnav Gangwar, you can clap for yourself. आपको मिलेगी मेरी तरफ से एक बड़ी सी डेयरी मिल्क सिल्क और दैट टू बबली. कौन सी क्या कहते हैं उसको? डेयरी मिल्क सिल्क बबल. बबल कहते हैं, बबली कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, व्हाटएवर. खाने से मतलब है, बबली हो या बबल हो, जो भी. सो मेरी तरफ से डेयरी मिल्क सिल्क बबली एंड ऑन व्हाट्सएप वर्चुअल वाली मिलेगी. लेकिन ज्यादा पैसा मैं खर्च करना नहीं चाहूंगा, वैसी मेरी सैलरी बहुत कम है. So Arnav Gangwar, correct answer. Rishika, this time you have done some mistake in calculation. And Mridul is the second one to answer. Very good, Mridul. Mridul Patel, sister of Anjali Patel. Anjali Patel, the topper of SR International in class 10th. Future topper of SR International. Future topper of Bareilly. Yes, Ishika Mittal. Third one to give the correct answer is Ishika Mittal. Very good, very good, very good. Clap for yourself. Bhakti Khandelwal is the fourth one. Very good. And fifth one is Vishesh Srivastav. Very good. So all the many other students have also given the correct answers. Very good. You all can clap for yourself, all those who have given the answers. 1225. 1225 is the answer. अब मैं आप लोगों को एक चांस दूंगा मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछने का. अच्छी एक्टिविटी है ना, मजा आ रहा है रैपिड फायर राउंड में. Are you all enjoying it? Those who are enjoying it, they can send a smiley in the chat box. If you are enjoying it, give a thumbs up. Very good. Nice. Vivan wants to say something. Wait for some time. Yes, Vivan, chalo batao. Vivan, what do you want to say?
Sir, I was saying that it is a sir, I want to ask the question that 1225 square meter 5. The answer.
Sorry, beta, not understood. What are you asking?
Sir, I am asking a question. 1225 square meter 5. What will be the answer?
Square root of 5 मतलब
Yes.
1225 square root of 5. ऐसा कुछ पूछ रहे हो?
No, sir. Sir, the question I am asking that you
are asking what is the square root of 1225?
Yes, sir.
35. So Vivan wants to tell you all that what is the meaning of square root. Square root का meaning क्या होता है? Square root is opposite of a number square. Square का opposite होता है square root. So if 35 square is 1225, then square root of 1225 will be 35. Okay, 35 will be the square root of 1225. So square root का मतलब होता है उल्टा, opposite of square. Okay. नाइस। मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा कि मुझसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछना है आपको, वो भी मैं ही बताऊंगा कि क्या क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं। ओके, आई विल गिव एनी वन ऑफ यू अ चांस। ओके, तो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू आर एंजॉयिंग इट। उन्नति तो कुछ ज्यादा ही एंजॉय कर रही है। अरे मर गए, दक्ष मल्होत्रा को देखो कैसी बातें करता है दक्ष मल्होत्रा। उन्नति, यू वांट टू से समथिंग? यू वांट टू से समथिंग उन्नति?
No, sir. Sir, I didn't
Please, your hand
see
was up.
raised.
So sure is Saxena, do you want to say something?
Sir, yes, sir. I want to say that, sir, you have told us that we have to told questions. So we have to told the question based on the activity you are doing, or we have
I
to
will tell you what type
ask
of
any question.
I will tell you what question you will ask me. Okay, which question you will ask, what type of question you will ask me, I will tell you. Okay, so the question that you have to ask me is that आपको मुझसे क्या पूछना है? I am telling you, you have to ask me the square. This is known as, suppose if I am writing something like this, 35 square, ये मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया था, this is known as 35 स्क्वायर, और शॉर्ट में 35 स्क्वायर बोल देते हैं। वैसे फुल फॉर्म में इसको क्या बोलेंगे? वी कॉल इट एज 35 रेज टू द पावर 2। तो काफी बड़ा सा है, बोलने में थोड़ा लंबा सा स्टेटमेंट बोलना पड़ता है। 35 रेज टू द पावर 2, इसको इतना बड़ा बोलने की जगह हम क्या बोल देते हैं? शॉर्ट में बोल देते हैं 35 स्क्वायर। गॉट इट? तो जब भी पावर 2 होती है, वी कॉल इट एज 35 स्क्वायर, लाइक दिस, स्क्वायर लगा देते हैं उसकी जगह वर्ड, जब भी पावर 2 होता है। ठीक है, so what do you call this, what will you call this? आंसर नहीं देना है, इसको क्या बुलाएंगे? 48 raised to the power 2, शॉर्ट में इसको क्या बुलाएंगे? 48 स्क्वायर। ओके, 48 स्क्वायर, you don't have to give the answer of this. ओके, so similarly आपको भी मुझसे स्क्वायर पूछना है एक नंबर का, 2 डिजिट नंबर का स्क्वायर पूछना है। 2 डिजिट नंबर जानते हैं क्या होते हैं? जिसमें 2 डिजिट्स होती हैं, जैसे 35, 48, all these are 2 digit numbers. You have to ask me the square of a 2 digit number जिसमें लास्ट डिजिट 5 होना चाहिए। लास्ट डिजिट 5 होगी तो आस्क मी द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नंबर विच इज ऑफ 2 डिजिट्स, और उसका लास्ट डिजिट क्या होना चाहिए? 5 होना चाहिए। फर्स्ट डिजिट कुछ भी हो सकता है, लास्ट वाला डिजिट 5 होना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जांपल 25, 35, 45, 65, 55, ऑल दीज नंबर्स। तो ऐसे कोई नंबर का स्क्वायर मेरे से पूछिएगा, आई गारंटी यू आई विल गिव यू आंसर इन लेस देन 1 सेकेंड। So who wants to ask? Okay, जिन बच्चों ने आंसर दिए हैं सबसे पहले मैं उन्हीं को चांस देता हूँ, ये उनको चॉकलेट रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है। To ask me the question. Okay, कौन दिया था सबसे पहले आंसर? अभी फर्स्ट आंसर कौन, किसने दिया था? It was, who was the first one to answer the last question correctly? It was Arnav. Arnav ने दिया था सबसे पहले आंसर। So Arnav will get a chance to ask me the question. Okay, Arnav कहाँ गए? Arnav कहाँ है यार? Arnav ये है। Yes, Arnav, ask your question.
Sir, I don't want to ask.
Okay, so second one जिस जो है उसको चांस मिलेगा फिर। Second one was मृदुल पटेल। मृदुल पटेल कहाँ है? मृदुल पटेल कहाँ गई यार? मृदुल पटेल, एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज सिखाऊंगा उसके बाद में, ठीक है? मृदुल पटेल ये रही। या मृदुल पटेल, आस्क, यू कैन आस्क।
Sir, square of 55.
Square of 55, 3025।
Answer 95.
9025, 9025। देखा? Square of 55, 3025. Square of 95, 9025. अभी देखना आप लोग चेक करिए, my answer is correct or not. Find the square of 55, all of you. Square of 55 निकालिए. 55 square. 55 raised to the power 2. Is my answer correct or not? 3025. Correct answer. So students are clapping for me because my answer is correct. They are giving me a thumbs up. Very good. Okay, and what is the square of 95? 55 square is 3025 and 95 square, the answer is 9025. ये वाला भी मेरा सही है. Is this also correct? This one is also correct. So please, all of you, lot of students are raising hands. अच्छा चलो एक को और chance देता हूँ मैं. Rishika, yes, you are asking something.
Sir, I have a question also, and sir, I sent you a question also on your personal number. Please
You
solve
can
it
ask me
after the
here.
class.
You can ask me here only. What is your question?
Sir, I can dictate it. So please.
Is it a
take
math?
on it.
Is it a question from your book
Yes.
or something else?
No, sir, from Google.
From Google? अरे मर गए. Google से question पूछा WhatsApp पर. On WhatsApp. कहाँ पूछा है क्वेश्चन?